Namaskar, I am Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. So friends, today we are going to discuss the term sedition. Sedition is an act to bring disaffection, disloyalty to the country, to the nation. So the provision has been expressed in the Indian Penal Code under section 124A of the Indian Penal Code. So today in this video we are going to discuss and analyze section 124A of the Indian Penal Code. But before that, I want to request all of you that if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell button to get the notification of all the updates. Friends, I also request you to please visit to our YouTube channel page and check out the playlist, because these playlists are on different legal issues like legal drafting, CRPC, IPC, and there are very informative and valuable videos in this playlist, so please check it out. Now coming back to the topic, section 124A of the Indian Penal Codes provides punishment for any act or any attempt to bring any hatred, disaffection, disloyalty, contempt against the country or against the nation where we live or government of India. So if anybody through any means, through any word written or spoken, or through any visual representation, or through any sign or symbol tries to bring or attempts to bring any hatred, contempt or disaffection towards this country, then it is an offense and it is an punishable offense where the punishment is imprisonment for life. So today we are going to discuss section 124 and analyze it, but before that it is very important to read and understand the provision given in the Bare Act. So we will read section 124A of the Indian Penal Code in the Bare Act and then we will analyze it. So section 124A of the Indian Penal Code says, sedition, whoever by word either spoken or written, or by sign or by visual representation, or otherwise brings or attempts to bring into hatred or contempt or excites or attempt to excite disaffection towards the government established by law in India shall be punished with imprisonment for life, to which fine may be added, or imprisonment which may be extended 3 years, to which fine may be added, or with fine. It means for such an act of sedition, the term of imprisonment could be either life imprisonment or may be extended to 3 years with fine, or both. So here I want to clarify it that sedition is not making any comment or opposing any bill or any law through a democratic means, through democratic process, without using any word against the country which brings hatred, disaffection, disloyalty towards the country, but simply opposing any bill or simply opposing the law is not sedition. Likewise, if somebody is protesting against the administration, then speaking about the administration, speaking against the administration is not sedition as long as the word spoken or written is not against the country, against the nation, or which brings hatred, contempt or disaffection, or tries to bring such feelings against the nation, will not be considered as sedition. So now the classification of this offense is also very important. So such an offense is a cognizable offense. A cognizable offense means a police officer can arrest the accused without the warrant of the court. It is also non-bailable, means the accused has to move his bail application to the court and police cannot grant him bail. He can seek bail in the court of law. And thirdly, such offences are exclusively triable by the court of session. And fourthly, such offences are not compoundable, means there is no scope of any compromise between the parties in such offences. So this is all about section 124A of the Indian Penal Code. So if you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends and colleagues. I'll be coming again with more videos like this. Till then, take care. Namaskar.